Welcome to another NovaStore training video. Today we'll be using NovaBACKUP Business Essentials on Windows Server 2019. We will add a network device and perform a system image backup to VHDX Virtual Hard Disk format. Open NovaBACKUP and select Add Network Device. Create the device name of your choice. Now enter the network path of your device. You must enter your device's administrator username and password to ensure access. Click on the Device tab to see that it has been correctly added. Now let's perform a system image backup. Click Image Backup and Next. Now click Backup and Next. Now select the system disk you would like to back up. In this case, it's a VMware virtual machine. Change the backup type from full to VHDX format. Select the destination for your image backup and choose your newly added network device. Double check to make sure that your network credentials are visible. Select Finish to begin the backup. This process may take a little while, so let's jump forward. Once the process is complete, select Done and Close. If you check your backup log, you can ensure that your backup completed successfully. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using NovaBACKUP.